Hi there. So let's take a look at the social link block element that we've added. Let's add it here at the bottom of the page, which is a common place to put important sections so they're easy for visitors to find when they scroll down. Now, let's say I want to give it a heading, like Contact Us, to make it clear what the section is for. Adding a heading helps users quickly recognize where they can reach out if they have questions or need support, making the page more organized and user-friendly. Okay, and now I want to add a social link block. Here it is, right here. You'll see that the three icons have already appeared, right? So I can go to the social settings and I can increase or decrease the size of the icons and adjust the alignment. Now, let's say you want to change the colors. For example, maybe you want to make the inside part grayish, or maybe you want the outside part to be white and the inside part to be something like this. Right, you can do it like that. So you can play around with the color settings, and if you're not happy with the color settings, you can always switch back to the default color right here. So that's something you can do. Besides that, you can play around with the spacing in between. That's over there, right? You can add a border and stuff, right? That's something you're already aware of. You can also play around with, this thing, the design changes happening over here, right? Or you can make it a circle again. Play around with the background and stuff. Now over here, go back, go to the settings, and here you can provide the URL, right? The link that will be added over here. So for example, I want to direct people to my Facebook page, right? Okay, let me go to my page. All right. And let's say I want to add the URL right here. And I want this to open in a new tab, right? So I can add the URL here. At the same time, if you want to add, let's say, other URLs like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, or Instagram, you want to add them over there, just click on Add. YouTube, right? You can have it. So the default icons will show up, right? Other than that, I mean, you can go ahead and add the URLs and everything, right? And once you're done, you can click on Publish. All right, and now let's go ahead and click on the published URL. Once the page loads, scroll down a bit, and let's refresh the page to make sure everything is up to date. All right, so as you can see, we have the icons displayed here on the page, and let's say, for example, if I click right here on this icon, you can see that it's working exactly as it should, just as we expected. This confirms that the functionality is operating correctly, and everything appears to be functioning as intended. If I check the responsiveness of this, so, you can see this is how it looks. So it's fully responsive. So, that's how it's easily done. Right. So that's what we have. The social link block element. Right. And yeah, use it. All right. Thank you so much.